everybody, it's Stephanie. I wanted to go over homework for part 2 in today's example with my own example. So, we have our data right here. It is basically the pain rating of people who have come into a hospital ER on a Saturday. And we are going to go put our pain into variable view, which I've already done. And then we are going to go to data view, and we are going to insert all of our data, which I have already done. From there, we are going to go to analyze, descriptive statistics, descriptives. Pain should be over here. Your screen should look exactly like that right now. You're going to move pain over to variables, and you're also going to click Save Standardized Values as Variables. Then click OK. This is going to give you some data, some output, and it's going to answer the first 2 questions that we have for our lab. My sample size in this example is 40. So that answers the sample size. Report in proper APA format the mean and the standard deviation. So make sure you put your parenthesis, and then in italics put your M, then unitalicize, and then the mean, which in this case we rounded to 4.58. Followed by a comma, italicize the standard deviation, and then unitalicize, and then you have 2.96, and then parentheses, period. That is how to do proper APA format for my given example. Next, we are asked, what is the minimum z-score rounded to 2 decimal places? To find this, we will be going back to our data, where, as you can see, z-scores have appeared. And in this case, we're going to analyze descriptive statistics, descriptives. We are going to move pain back over into the left column, move the z-scores into the right column. We are going to go to options. We want to know the mean, and we just want to know the minimum. So we're going to uncheck all the others and find out the minimum. And we're going to uncheck Save Standardized Values as Variables, and then press OK. This is going to give you the minimum z-score, which is negative 1.55 rounded. So here we have negative 1.55 rounded. How many of these scores fall above the mean? We are going to go back into our view, and we are going to look at our data, and you can do this 2 different ways. You can see which one is positive and above 0, or you can do the actual mean over here. So we're studying z-scores, we're going to go with the z-score route. Your mean of z-score is 0. So what you're going to do is anything that is negative falls below the mean. Anything that is positive is above the mean. If the z-score is exactly 0, it is at the mean, which I do not see any that are exactly at the mean. I've gone ahead and counted these, and I figured out that there are 19 scores above the mean, 21 scores below the mean, and 0 scores at the mean. This concludes homework for part 2. If you have any problems or any suggestions, please let Claudette or myself know. Thank you and have a good day.